Question 1. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Children crossing. Option B. School crossing patrol. Option C. Frail pedestrians. Option B is correct. School crossing patrol. This warning sign indicates that a school crossing patrol operates ahead, usually near a school entrance. Children may be crossing the road, especially during school opening and closing times. Drivers should reduce speed, stay alert for children who may cross unexpectedly, and be prepared to stop immediately when instructed by the patrol officer. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Hump bridge. Option B. Dip. Option C. Uneven road. The correct answer is option C, uneven road. This sign warns that the road surface ahead is uneven, rough, or damaged. Potholes, bumps, or surface changes may affect vehicle control and passenger comfort. Drivers should reduce speed, hold the steering wheel firmly, and avoid sudden braking or steering movements. Question 3. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Parking place. Option B. Parking restricted to permit holders. Option C. No waiting. Correct answer, option B. Parking restricted to permit holders. This sign means parking is only allowed for vehicles displaying a valid permit. The restriction is commonly used in residential or controlled parking zones. Drivers without the required permit must not park there and should look for another legal parking area to avoid penalties or towing. Question 4. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Cycle route ahead. Option B. Special lane for bicycles. Option C. No cycling. Option C is the correct answer. No cycling. This prohibition sign means cyclists are not allowed to use the road, path, or area beyond the sign. The restriction may exist because the route is unsafe for bicycles or reserved for pedestrians or vehicles. Cyclists must dismount or use another route where cycling is permitted. Question 5. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Loose chippings. Option B. Uneven road. Option C. Road works. The answer is option C, road works. This warning sign tells drivers that roadworks or maintenance activities are taking place ahead. Temporary hazards such as narrowed lanes, uneven surfaces, workers in the road, or changed traffic patterns may be present. Drivers should reduce speed, follow temporary signs and signals carefully, and expect possible delays. What does this road sign mean? Option A, minimum speed. Option B, maximum speed. Option C, national speed limit. Option B is correct, maximum speed. This regulatory sign shows the highest speed drivers are legally allowed to travel. Drivers must not exceed the speed limit shown, even if road conditions appear safe. Speed limits are set to improve safety for all road users, including pedestrians and cyclists. Question 7. What does this road sign mean? Option A, Quayside or riverbank. Option B, opening bridge. Option C, risk of grounding. The correct option is A, Quayside or riverbank. This warning sign indicates that the road ends or runs very close to water, such as a river, dock or quayside, often without protective barriers. Drivers should proceed slowly and carefully, especially in poor visibility or wet conditions, to avoid accidentally entering the water. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? Option A, slow-moving or stationary works vehicle blocking a traffic lane. Option B, heavy goods vehicle route. Option C, no lorries. Option A is the right answer. Slow-moving or stationary works, vehicle blocking a traffic lane. This sign warns that maintenance or construction vehicles may be blocking part of the road ahead. Drivers should slow down, stay alert for workers and temporary lane closures, and be prepared to stop or move into another lane safely when directed. What does this road sign mean? Option A, one-way traffic. Option B, ahead only. Option C, no turns. Option B is the correct answer, ahead only. This mandatory sign means drivers may only continue straight ahead. Turning left or right is prohibited at that location. Drivers should position the vehicle correctly in advance and follow the direction indicated by the sign. Question 10. What does this road sign mean? Option A, no pedestrians. Option B, no vehicles except bicycles being pushed. Option C, pedestrians in road. Correct choice. Option B, no vehicles except bicycles being pushed. This sign means vehicles are prohibited beyond this point, but people may push bicycles through the area. Drivers of motor vehicles must not enter. Cyclists may continue only if they dismount and walk with their bicycle. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? Option A, End of 20 miles per hour zone. Option B, maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Option C, entry to 20 miles per hour zone. The correct answer is option C, entry to 20 miles per hour zone. This sign marks the beginning of a 20 miles per hour speed limit zone, usually found in residential or school areas where pedestrian safety is important. Drivers must reduce speed to 20 miles per hour or below and maintain that speed until reaching an end of zone sign. Question 12. What does this road sign mean? Option A, no left turn. Option B, turn left ahead. Option C, one-way traffic left. Option A is correct, no left turn. This sign tells drivers that turning left at the junction ahead is not allowed. Drivers must continue straight ahead or choose another permitted route. Obeying the sign helps improve traffic flow and reduce collisions at junctions. Question 13. What does this road sign mean? Option A, speed camera. Option B, traffic signals ahead. Option C, road tracking. The answer is option A, speed camera. This warning sign informs drivers that speed cameras are operating in the area ahead. Drivers should ensure they are driving within the legal speed limit at all times. Sudden braking near cameras should be avoided because it may create danger for following traffic. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? Option A, ahead only. Option B, two-way traffic. Option C, one-way traffic. Option C is the correct answer, one-way traffic. This sign indicates that traffic on the road flows in only one direction. Drivers must travel only in the direction shown and should watch for lane markings, pedestrians, and vehicles entering from side roads. Driving the wrong way on a one-way street is extremely dangerous and illegal. Question 15. What does this road sign mean? Option A, no stopping. Option B, no waiting. Option C, parking place. The correct answer is option B, no waiting. This sign means drivers are not allowed to wait or park in the area during the times shown on nearby plates or road markings. The restriction helps keep traffic flowing and improves safety. Drivers may sometimes stop briefly for loading or passenger drop-off if permitted. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? Option A, low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Option B, overhead cables. Option C, airfield ahead. Option A is correct, low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. This warning sign tells drivers that aircraft may fly low overhead or produce sudden loud noise, usually near airports or military airfields. Drivers should remain focused on the road and avoid reacting suddenly to the noise or movement of aircraft. Question 17. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Uneven road. Option B. Traffic queues likely ahead. Option C. Roadworks. Correct answer. Option B. Traffic queues likely ahead. This warning sign means traffic congestion or long queues are likely ahead, often near junctions, roadworks, or busy roads. Drivers should reduce speed, increase following distance, and stay prepared to stop safely if traffic suddenly slows down. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Wild animals. Option B. Cattle. Option C. Accompanied horses. Option B is the correct answer, cattle. This sign warns drivers that cattle may be crossing or moving along the road ahead. Animals can behave unpredictably and may not move quickly. Drivers should slow down, avoid sounding the horn aggressively, and pass carefully to avoid frightening the animals. Question 19. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Turn left ahead. Option B. Keep left. Option C. One-way traffic left. The correct option is A. Turn left ahead. This sign informs drivers that a left turn is ahead or required. Drivers should check mirrors, signal in good time, move into the correct lane safely, and watch for pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicles approaching from other directions. Question 20. What does this road sign mean? Option A. Goods vehicles prohibited sign. Option B. Lorries prohibited. Option C. No motor vehicles. Option B is correct. Lorries prohibited. This sign means heavy goods. Vehicles or lorries are not allowed beyond this point. The restriction may exist because of narrow roads, weak bridges, residential areas, or environmental concerns. Drivers of prohibited vehicles must follow an alternative route. How many road sign questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments and challenge your friends or fellow learners to beat it. If this practice test helped you improve your road sign knowledge and prepare for the DVSA theory exam, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more UK driving theory tests, road sign quizzes, and learner driver revision. Keep practicing, stay focused, and good luck on your theory test.